Happy learning students from St. Mary Primary School, Jogeshwari East. I am Mrs. Akshata Shinoy and our topic for today is Management of Welfare State of Swaraj. Shivaji Maharaj struggled long against many unjust powers. They were the Adil Shahi and the Mughal powers, the Portuguese and the Siddhis of Janjira. That is how an independent Hindvi Swaraj was created. So students, we all know that independent Hindvi Swaraj is the result of constant fight of Shivaji Maharaj with his enemies, the Adil Shahi Mughal power Portuguese Siddhis of Janjira. Next paragraph. For smooth working, Shivaji Maharaj divided the administration into 8 departments. He appointed a minister in charge of each. This was his famous council of 8 ministers. The Swaraj of Shivaji Maharaj was a state run for the welfare of the people in the true sense of the term. It was run with the assistance of the 8 ministers. Shivaji Maharaj himself made the appointments of these 8 ministers and other important officers on the basis of their eligibilities and merit. He supervised all their work. Students, here we can see that Shivaji Maharaj had divided his management or administration into 8 main parts, and he gave those 8 departments to different people to handle. Each were expert of that particular area. The officers were appointed on the basis of eligibility and not on the basis of priority like brothers and sisters. They were appointed only on their merits. And those 8 ministers or the council of ministers was directly under the supervision of Shivaji Maharaj. Do you know, food, clothing and shelter are the basic necessities of life. In a welfare state, these needs of people are satisfied. Women are honored. Common people, peasants, are not deceived. Injustice is not done to anyone. Justice is dispensed quickly. Agriculture and industries develop well. Folk arts flourish. People can live a happy, contented life. People lived happily in the Swaraj created by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Therefore, the qualities of confidence, self-respect and patriotism strongly emerged among the people of Maharashtra. Student, it is stated in this paragraph that in Shivaji Maharaj's created Swaraj, people used to live very happy. That is why the qualities of confidence, self-respect, patriotism came within the people. They were not told to respect, but people used to respect Shivaji Maharaj from their heart. Now let us look at the 8 ministers of the council. The council of 8 ministers. First one, Moro Trimbak Pingle, Pradhan, Administration. Ramchandra Neelkant Mazumdar, Amatya, Revenue and Accounts of the State. Hidimbrao Mohite, Senapati, Defense. Moreshwar Panditrao, Religious Matters. Niraji Ravaji, Nyayadhish, Justice. Annaji Datto, Sachiv, Government Orders. Dattaji Trembak, Vaknis, Mantri, Correspondence. Ramchandra Trimbak Dabir, Sumant, Foreign Relations. So you can see that different people were given different designation and those different designations for different departments. Protection of environment. Natural environment includes the land in nature as also factor like air, rain, rivers and streams, seas, forest, the birds and the animals, light received from the sun, etc. It is beneficial for men to make use of these environment only to meet his necessities. Shivaji Maharaj took precautions to avoid the destruction of these environmental factors. Students, we all know that whatever we get it from the nature. All the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we get, everything comes from the nature and we should preserve it. Shivaji knew the importance of nature, so Maharaj used to take precautions to avoid the destruction of environmental factors like forest or rivers, etc. Next paragraph. Shivaji Maharaj saw to it that the forest in his kingdom would not be destroyed by the people. From the royal edict, we can see that he had issued many orders like the following. For the navy, it is necessary to build boats and ships of various sizes and their beams, masts, oaks, etc., for which wood is required. To obtain the wood, only teak trees should be cut. If more teak wood is required, it should be purchased from the foreign territories. But on no account should mango, jackfruit or other trees be cut. They don't grow in a year or two. People look after them like their own children in order to grow them. Cutting them inflict sorrow on the people. It should not be done. Even when a tree is greatly worn out, it should be cut only after paying the owner and getting his consent. So student, in various fields we can see that Shivaji has given many orders to people to prevent them for cutting the trees. For example, Shivaji was the father of navy. He indeed gave orders to build more and more ships and boats, but while doing that he saw to it that he has never cut a tree unnecessarily. Only the teak wood trees were cut instead of cutting the fruitful trees like jackfruit or mangoes. People grow the fruit trees for boring the fruits and they get profit out of it. They take care of them like their own kids. So if we cut that tree, the person who has planted the tree may feel sad, the owner may feel grieved. So Shivaji Maharaj ordered, even if you want to cut the tree, permission should be taken from the owner to cut that particular tree.